Hi, I'm Stuart Williams, Site Manager for Lloyd Gravell. And we're down here in the South Quay in Pembroke. It's a demolition project for Pembrokeshire Council. It's an old building, and the back end of it's been demolished so they can do further phases. I think there's going to be a library, coffee shop, museum, that kind of thing. The actual stonework in the back of the building was too bad to save, so we've had a demolition team in here and we're taking it down slowly with breakers because there's a vaulted ceiling which is listed at the bottom. I think our office found them online. Yeah, there was a site visit from a Coveya representative. Representative come down, met on site, talked to us, and we ended up with this structure here then, and it's worked quite well, doing the job well for us. Coveya have been very good. I phoned them up but last month to come out to service it, and within a couple of days there was a team down here doing a service on the conveyor itself, and then just told us give us a ring if anything goes wrong. Yes, I definitely recommend Coveya to other companies, and would use them ourselves again. It's been great for this project, the way we've got the rubble off site, so it's really worked well for us.